Hey guys, so what's up? We seem to have a little issue here. We're running out of space. The thing I'm worried about the most right now is actually the cucumber plants all the way back here. Alright guys, mission complete at this point, I would say. We've got our trellis net up. We've got our two plants hanging on the trellis netting. We're going to train them to fill this area out as much as we possibly can. And then once that's done, we're going to put a second net up and have it fill that net as well. Hopefully we'll have just big cucumbers hanging out for us to pick. Eventually I'll probably hook these up to a drip irrigation so we don't have to water them constantly. But I've set the pots close to us so we have easy access to them. I think that's a good idea. So we're just going to see what happens here. And I put these two lights up for now. I'm not happy with them. They're old style lights. We're going to go over lighting at some point, but we're going to replace these as soon as we can. Besides that, I think we're all set here. So stay tuned and let's see what happens.